Students, today we are going to discuss about the stability of diazonium salt in third section of unit nitrogen containing compound. Stability of diazonium salts. You know that by the basis of alkyl and aryl group, diazonium salts are distributed in two categories according to their given formulas. For aryl diazonium salt, Ar N2Cl or N2X, and for alkyl diazonium salt R N2X. Here shown the ionic form plus and minus. In the comparison of aryl and alkyl diazonium salt, more than stable aryl diazonium salt because it gives various type of resonatic structures in the comparison of alkyl diazonium salt. So here we take structural formula of aryl diazonium salt and especially for benzene diazonium salt, and gives their resonatic structures and proof that the aryl diazonium salts are more than stable in the comparison of alkyl diazonium salts. So we take their structures. We make their structures in bond formulas. So first one is represented by this structure. Alternative for double bond present in benzene ring, and here nitrogen atom added with triple bond and triple bond N. According to this sequence, this nitrogen shown their cationic form plus, and this one have a lone pair non-bonding set of electrons. This is the resonating structure of diazonium salt. If this one create the cleavage of bond, then it gives another structure according to this. This bond moved with nitrogen, so shown double bond, and this bond break. You know that the cleavage of bonds, triple bond break on double bonds and double bond break on single bonds. So double bond and shown two set of non-bonding electrons. Here this entity shown cationic form, and also this one, and this nitrogen shown negative charge. We also rearrange the position of bonds. Then this set shown, the category of bond position is this and this. Here a sequence of bonds can change within this position, then also it gives their resonating structure. according to this form. The parallel set of double bonds are available. And nitrogen also due to double bond N and double bond N, and set of non-bonding electron. So here this entity shown their cationic form, plus form. So this one is the B form of resonating structure, and this one another is C form of their resonating structure. Now another structure, the bond position is moved in 6th number of formula. So it's shown their resonating structure is given as alternative form of double bonds, and here double bond N, double bond N, then set of plus and minus, and this one bond break the position. This is the D resonating structure. Now the last resonating structure is the just opposite form of first. So we say that it gives similar structure with A. Alternative form of double bonds, nitrogen and nitrogen atoms are conjugated with triple bond, and a single set of non-bonding electrons, and shown here this structure. So students, all those structures are the resonating structures of diazonium salts. These structures belong aryl diazonium salts. So we say that in the comparison of alkyl and aryl diazonium salts, aryl diazonium salts are the more stable in alkyl ammonium diammonium salts. Students, now we discussed about the properties of benzene diazonium chloride, because in previous class we studied the formation or preparation method of benzene diazonium chloride. So properties of benzene diazonium chloride. And first we discuss its physical property. Its physical state is solid. It is soluble in water. At low temperature. Its solution is known as ice frozen solution. It is a temporary compound according to their physical state. because in the effect of temperature it changed their physical state. Now we discussed about their chemical properties with the help of chemical reaction. Chemical properties of C6H5N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride. And first we take its reaction with water. RH2. It reacts with water to form phenol according to this chemical reaction. C6H5N2Cl react with water, H2O or HOH. It subtracted nitrogen and HCl. HCl and nitrogen in diatomic form. So N2 plus HCl and gives C6CH5OH, and this is the formula of phenol. So we say that phenol is the main product of this chemical reaction. So benzene diazonium chloride react with water to form phenol. Also it is a conversion. A question said to you, how can you find out phenol from benzene diazonium chloride? Then you give this chemical reaction. N2Cl plus HOH. It breaks their structure to form phenol. HCl and plus N2. Now second chemical properties is a nominated reaction. Also we say that this reaction is completed with hydrogen halide. This reaction is the also preparation method of haloarenes. You also studied in unit haloalkane haloarene. This reaction concept is when benzene diazonium chloride react with the presence of CuX and HX, like as a HCl, like as a HBr, then it gives haloarenes. So we take its chemical reaction. The formula of benzene diazonium chloride C6H5N2Cl in the presence of CuCl and HCl. It gives chlorobenzene C6H5Cl and remove N2 in their diatomic form, nitrogen. It is also shown in their structural formula C6H5N2Cl in the presence of CuCl and HCl. It subtracted dinitrogen to form chlorobenzene. This is the best example of haloarene because the simple formula of haloarene is ARX. Now the example of haloarene is C6H5Cl, C6H5Br C6H5I. Chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and iodobenzene. So another second example, benzene diazoonium chloride C6H5N2Cl in the presence of CuBr and HBr. It subtracted dinitrogen N2 to form bromobenzene C6H5Br. This one is the also example of haloarine. In their structural formula, C6H5N2Cl is diazonium salt, benzene diazonium chloride in the presence of CuBr and HBr. Bromine is subtracted nitrogen and hydrogen subtracted chlorine. Then it makes bromobenzene C6H5Br. This one is the structure of halogen. Students, it is also gives reaction with CuCl and potassium cyanide KCl. If benzene diazonium chloride react with CuCl, copper cyanide and potassium cyanide KCl, then it subtracted dinitrogen and chlorine and make cyanobenzene. Its molecular reaction is given as C6H5N2Cl react with CuCl, copper cyanide and potassium cyanide KCl. It subtracted dinitrogen N2 and also subtracted potassium chloride here KCl and make cyanobenzene C6H5C triple bond N. It's shown also in their structural formula. C6H5N2Cl is benzene diazonium chloride, CuCl and KCl subtracted dinitrogen and potassium chloride to form cyanobenzene. All those reactions are the best examples of Sand-Mayer reaction. It is an also nomination reaction for you. Then you gives any example for the proving of Sand-Mayer reaction. So students, in this set we find out chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, cyanobenzene and some other. So another class we discussed about the chemical properties of benzene diazonium chloride with the help of chemical reactions.